baja otro, cuidado.
At least 36 people were killed following landslides in several villages in South Peru triggered by strong rain. It's estimated that 630 homes are now unusable and over 1,000 families have been affected by the disaster. Bridges, roads, and irrigation canals have been destroyed by the deadly landslides. Residents work together to rescue people taken by the current and to collect bodies from the debris. The Defense Ministry is providing helicopters, tents, water tanks, sandbags, and various other disaster relief personnel as best as they can, as roads into affected areas are blocked or have washed away. Heavy rain is normal this time of year in Peru and often causes deadly landslides. According to Peru's National Emergency Center, search and rescue efforts are ongoing.